There's nothing more scary than getting a bill at the end of the month and not knowing or understanding why it's so high and how you've used so much power. But that's where we can help. If you're a Powershop customer, chances are you joined us to take control of your power. But did you know, as well as offering discounted power through our power packs, we also have a bunch of tools you can use to better understand your power usage. Hi, I'm Damien, and this is how you can track your power usage. Via our desktop site or mobile app, you have the ability to track your usage down to the hour, so you can find out how much power you're using and when you're using it. So, how do you get all this info? If you're on our desktop site, head to the usage tab and then to the usage patterns tab. The heat map display helps you see when you use the most power over a period of 4 weeks, 12 weeks, or a year. Each coloured square on the chart is 1 half-hour period of 1 day. A brighter square represents a high half-hour, and a darker square represents a lower half-hour. This graph will also help you understand where you can become more energy efficient, saving you power and money. On the same page, you can also see the time of day you usually use the most power, the specific day you used the most power during your selected time frame, and also the day and time your peak usage was. If you're on our mobile app, you'll still be able to view all this data. It'll just look a little different. From the balance page, navigate to the daily usage screen and you'll be able to see an hour-by-hour usage graph underneath your daily breakdown in a bar chart. To see a different day, simply select this above and the hour-by-hour graph will automatically update. If you want to compare the hour-by-hour info for certain days, we recommend using the desktop site instead. This information will automatically show up if you have a smart meter, but if you don't, you'll still be able to access some of this information by manually entering meter readings. We get a verified meter read every 1 to 2 months, but if you want to see your daily usage, you'll need to enter this information each day by heading to the Read Meter option and under the My Property tab. We recommend doing this at the same time each day if possible. Don't forget to use our torch function if you're having trouble seeing the numbers. So now that you know how much power you're using and when you're using it, you're more prepared to find savvy ways to cut down on your power usage. Like unplugging your phone or laptop charger when it's not in use, as they still suck up power when your devices aren't attached, or switching your hot water washers to cold, because 90% of washing machines' energy is spent heating the water. So switch to cold and save. Understanding your power usage, just another way that Powershop helps put the power back in your hands.